CJ!
Hindi ka naman, hindi.
Ay, sasabang ko seryoso. Pinakatingin naman, oh. Hi!
Boy! Boy! CJ!
Meron pala salita dito.
Continue on Jose Abad Santos Avenue, 3 kilometers.
Ay, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ay, karamor, banan. Talaga nga na nag-hit sa akin. Mahalog to. Ay, Dominic, yun na. Andito na tayo sa Aqua Planet. CJ. Tara na lang.
Saan ba yun?
Ito yung mama ko, visit.
Ang init, gusto ko lang maglublaw.
Kami naman kasama sa...
Nasa sila, kuya? Ah, tara na, kakain ba kayo muna?
Let's go dip first.
Yeah, like I wanna do that. I got you. Ayun na. Kasi kumuhain na kayo.
Straight muna tayo.
Ayan. Saan ba? Doon ba yun? Doon oh.
Dito. Ano, init? Galing ka. Sipolita?
Natanggalin natin chinelas, di ba? Oo, yun oh.
My face so Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Lazy River, calm music. The next morning.
Morning guys. Wait, lagay natin yung wide lens. Other way. Oh, yun. Nag-wide lens. It's currently 5:05 or 5:10. I don't know. Kuya.
Hello.
Si CJ. Si Day the Siege. Punta kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta, Miles?
To the bukid to have coffee because we're very rich.
Bundok.
Bundok because we want to have coffee there. And Ate is very rich.
Ako pa nga. Malilibre mo lang ako eh.
It's a special coffee. Palibre?
Oo.
Ikaw muna.
What's your, patingin ng Lila's cat mo? Lila's cat mo.
Oh. So much better than this.
No, mine is so cute.
Guys, vote for mine.
Mine,
Which is
look, oh.
better?
We have Ralph here on the first tricycle. Inside mommy.
Nakulong-kulong.
Kulong-kulong. Kuya, the driver. Arvin, the Arv. CJ at the front. Ay, at inside pala. Ate Nicole, hindi na ata siya kasama eh. Hala, si mama hindi kasama. Yung, yeah. Because I can't sleep it.
Good morning, guys! Wow, so happy!
We are here at the mountain.
Wow! And today, we're gonna get coffee daw. So, Bukidnon.
Bukidnon, grabe naman.
And saan?
DRT.
DRT. Kasi we are maarte. And what truck is driving?
Look at the malunggay.
So this is our
Everything
view.
is free. The malunggay. Just kuha lang.
There is Kuya Rico and with Kuya RJ. And the dog eating the butt.
And Carabao.
And the Carabao there. Yesterday, we saw one that was very close. I thought it was a statue. Guys, look at the view. Look at the sunrise.
Look at the ilog. Meron silang bakod.
There's this heaven right there. Guys, we're going on a roller coaster.
Look at the river. So, konti.
Wow! We are now entering the safari. There's so much tae. Carabao. Oh, no, no.
Meron daw dun bigtahe. Kala ko tayo ng tao.
Maganda.
Nataas ko ng bangko. Ganun mo ikot ko.
Look at their view, guys. Okay, guys. We'll keep you updated on where we're headed next. We just have to struggle a little bit. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Transition. Oh. Bochon is here. We are making a quick stop sa... Where are we?
I don't know this place. Gas station.
Tapos sabi daw ni...
Saan ka pupunta?
Inaantok pa ata. Oh, close up, close up. Now zoom out. Be the human drone.
Kailangan nakapag-ganon.
Lucky, lucky!
Ano ba yan?
Gotcha, gotcha.
I don't know what that is, guys.
Human drone.
Ano pa yan?
Ay, buwag kasi tita, go. Wow. Say, look na transition. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ay, her. Go.
Bababa tayo, bababa.
Hello, hello, hello.
Walang ganon.
Pwede kita nandaloon din eh.
Gotong baka.
Arroz caldo. Opo. Guys,
Ano rascaldo?
what is gotong?
It's like the same. It's back. Rascaldo is chicken.
Okay, I'll get arroz caldo.
Me too. Rascaldo.
Here's CJ. CJ! Mag-hi ka. Say hi.
We don't fit anyway.
Wait, look, the cat went here. All the way here.
It's a mixer.
Mixer.
Sabi na dito yung over.
Pwede pa naman
I should add.
The whole battery. Which means you just have to drive it for a bit.
I mean, it's not from the line. So, you're gonna drive? Oh, dito. Dalawang arskado. Mainit po. Madikit ka. Yung puso, mataba mo dito.
Yo. Pogi, oh. Pogi.
Sabi, hindi siya natuto.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
The plan has changed. We're not going
So, kapian.
to Kapihan anymore. We're gonna go to Palengke. We're going to mga isda.
Yes, palengke.
Palengke.
Sabi ko ka.
Yes. We just ate goto and arroz caldo. Very good. I really liked it. It was my first time going to that kind of place. And I'd go again. I like the owner. She was quiet and sweet. Yeah, I told her it was masarap. And she said, balik kayo. Then, so now, Tita bought some goto.
Hagod and talbos ng ampalaya.
Yeah. After that,
This is sabi ka pa.
we're gonna go home and test the car to see if we can go anywhere.
Maghanap ka somewhere na pwedeng ito.
So, they're selling things here. A lot of people are
If you want like the tinapay, din sa tinapay there.
I think, but because there's a
Sige na lang. I'm gonna buy lang the gulay. Excuse me.
Like how much, Tita?
Yes.
Okay, me and Tita are gonna go on a venture.
Let's go
You
muna
did
tayo. Here.
Here. Is this the fish one?
Do you want any bread?
Not. TJ, mag-hi ka nga.
Magkano dito sa ano?
Kasi papa mo na lang.
6 pesos isa?
Hello po.
Pabili nga muna ng ano? Ng 30. Sige, tinapay mo pa rin. Sige, nagkano tinapay niya? Nakuha na ba niya? Yung banyo, dito parang ko wala. Wala kang panin.
Sorry po.
Walang. Hindi dito kasi yan, uso yung pumunta ko.
Dito?
Magkano dito?
Ano yan, Tita?
Bunga ng malunggay.
Bull?
Bunga ng malunggay. Hagod.
Agod.
Saka pala. Dahon.
Kulay. Gusto niyo po mag-hi? Is it okay if I video? Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you po. Got the goods right here.
Okay, we change place now.
Say hi po. Nasa vlog po ni ate. Mag-hi po kayo.
Mag-hi po kayo.
Hi po!
Okay, then po.
Ano si Mami?
Give me some water.
Sa... Hey, don't both there. I both there.
There's dogs.
Oh, ano nila?
There's dogs.
Kikintura na po kami.
Is that like a rental house?
No, on the pool.
The what?
The pool side. You can run. You can pay.
We should go see.
Yeah. You need it.
Huh?
You need it.
Yeah.
So hot.
Why is that so bango?
Juju.
Yeah, that's Dior.
Wow, so oh, did you hear him about that? Yeah, that's Dior.
Where?
Yeah, it's called
Like his
Dior.
mouth. He's so
The scent I'm
shy.
wearing right now is not matching my outfit right now.
Oh yeah. The shoes is really good. But the outfit is not outfitting though. But sir, where's your outfit from? Okay.
I got this from my tita.
Yeah.
This one's from Bench. And,
Wow. What
this
was
one's from Uniqlo.
Wow, and the glasses?
It's Gentleman's.
Wow. Perfume.
It's Christian Dior.
Oh my gosh. And the watch?
It's just G-Shock.
Oh my gosh.
What's that?
Palengke.
I got the color of sunsilk, the
Yes.
green, and the pink.
Yeah,
We're
I got
going to do a test before and later.
that's
Which one
right.
is better? Tara, let's check the ano po.
Wow. And in
Area.
total, sir, how much is your outfit?
I would say 10 pesos.
10 pesos lang.
Ang dami nila agad nakuha ng ganyan na kabilis. So yun daw, i-vlog mo ano yan.
Ay, sorry.
Yung outfit ko. Ang daming bunga.
Pakita yung magkumukha si mami.
Guys,
Nanguha ko ng bunga ng malunggay.
she's stealing. Ma'am, is this your property?
Is this your property?
Are you okay?
Kunin yung buong ano. Ayaw na sumama. Okay na to. Pag natapos nito, ang dami na. But here, just say, pahingi.
But it is, how much did this cost you, ma'am?
Nothing.
Why?
Just for free.
Why is it free?
Because we know them, the
Yeah.
owner.
Yeah?
So, just say, pahingi.
What is pahingi?
Can I have?
Ay, wow, English. She's
My English is very, very beautiful.
it's very beautiful down.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
beautiful like me.
How is
I'm slang.
oh, your slang?
Yeah.
Wow, how is your provinciana life, slang girl?
My provincial life
Yeah.
is a simple like this.
Oh, really?
If you want to eat, just ask for them.
Oh, that's where it's after that. No, wait, like, there's little goats.
You close up the
You.
puno ng malunggay. Sa daming bunga. You.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya nga, dami. Mga
Sa
patay
susunod
dyan.
na lang, sa susunod na araw, hindi na maluluto.
Ano na yung matanda na sa susunod? Ako yung ginigipit mo
Hindi
pa.
namatay yung puno na. Magkano dito bili nyo?
Dalawa.
Yo.
Dito ang dami pa. Yung close up nga, puno ng malunggay.
Tara naman.
Abag hindi ka ka.
Sige ka.
Yo.
Yo.
Ay.
Hair.
To the back, ate, go! Yo. Ay, kuya, RJ, go! DJ natin, Nicole, go! Bachog! Go, Bachog! I Killjoy. Tita na lang.
Si Mami may hawak pang saging, ha?
This is not a saging.
No, on the right. Look at the right. It's a saging.
Sobrang liit. Tapos may hugis saging.
Yes.
Saging.
Payaya.
This is papaya.
It's not papaya, it's payaya.
Same?
And there's another dog.
Papaya.
Like with papaya.
Hello po. Mag-hi po kayo. Mag-hi po. Thank you po. Bye po. Got people here. And the people at the back. This is the Ferrari and the Mercedes.
Dito, guys, ngayon si Ral. Susunduin namin sila Aliyah sa bayan. Nandito kami sa pinakamagandang daan. Wow! Ouch! Ouch! Grabe. Nagpakilay sila. Nandito kami ngayon sa Balaong. Susunduin namin sila. Uy! Aray ko! Wow, at least nagmumotor. Aray ko!
As you can see, the road is very bottom. A lot of aray.
Ano ba yan?
Very good.
Pag nakaltag pa tayo dito, itatapon ko yung drink mo.
Tada, aray. Sige, ayan. So,
Ayan!
oh my gosh. Beautiful.
Okay.
Yoy mag-8.
Kita pala!
Letter I, 24. Kobe Bryant.
What?